Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add quotes to your videos using the CapCut text template. So here I've found the easiest way if you want to add quotes. So here you can just click on text, find the text template, and here find the category caption. Okay, so under here you can just use this one which has the quotation mark on it. Click on that. Okay, so you can just change the quotes in here by double click on it, change it to the one you want. Okay, I'm going to type the quotes first. Okay, for example, this quotes right here. Now you can just adjust the position in your video like so, and it is done. So this is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.